What we have is a 5-foot by 10-foot capacity Torchmate CNC plasma cutter. Dual drive motors on the main axis, precision ground rails, 1/4-inch wall tubing frame, 6-inch wide, 1/8-inch slats, holds an entire 5-foot by 10-foot sheet of steel, aluminum, stainless. It has the automatic height controller option, single axle, single motor on the upper rail, wire carrier, second motor's over here, wire carrier. It includes thermodynamics, plasma cutter, professional series, all wiring. Also includes the Torchmate automatic height controller. Everything does work. Turns on, functions, cuts beautiful. The Torchmate controller, which does work. Motors work, everything works. It's a very low hour machine. Included will be the computer and boss monitoring keyboard. Software is loaded, configured. Plus with also come all amount of factory consumables. It's 100% ready to go and to cut. It no longer suits my needs. It's too big for me. I'm downsizing on a lot of stuff. There's almost $28,000 invested in it. It is for sale for $15,000. That's $15,000 cash, no checks, no trades, no funny business. If you're interested, please contact me and we will arrange for you to come and see it in action. And it will be cash when you pick it up. No promises, no holds, cash money. It is a very large machine. You're going to need a trailer and some help to get it loaded. I do not load it. I will help break it down and show you how to put it together. Then it's up to you. If you're interested, please give me a call and we will make arrangements. I will put up a card on the back here with the phone number to contact us, or you can go to www.obentmfg.com and contact us through that. Thank you.